30 Windows 10 tips and tricks everyone should be using. Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss 30 amazing hidden Windows 10 tips and tricks that will help you get something new about Windows 10. Most of them are well known for you, but you never use them because you don't know how to use them. So you must apply these tips and tricks in your daily use for a better experience of Windows 10. Let's get started. Before we jump in, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so to get notified well on time for the upcoming new exciting videos. Number 1. Slide to Shutdown. Back on Windows 8, Microsoft also included a new interactive way to power off your device with the slide to shut down your PC gesture. That feature exists on Windows 10, but it's typically only enabled on tablets and Windows 10 mobile devices when you press and hold the power button. If you want to get the same shutdown experience on your laptop or desktop, you can create a shortcut with this command to enable slide to shut down your PC on Windows 10 even on non-touch screen devices. The command is provided in the video description. Viewers, let me show it to you how you can do this. So right click on desktop, click new and shortcut, paste the command provided in the video description, click on next, let the name to be the same, click on finish, and a shortcut icon created on your desktop. Let's change the icon to be similar to shutdown icon by right click, go to properties, change icon, click on OK, select the power icon and then click on OK. You can drag and drop to pin the icon into taskbar, click on it and there is the slide to shutdown appeared on your desktop. Simply drag and drop to the bottom of the screen and your PC will be shut down. Number 2. Snap Assist. On Windows 10, Snap Assist helps you organize the space on your screen more efficiently, improving productivity. Using this feature, you can quickly snap windows to the sides or to the corners perfectly using the mouse, keyboard and touch without the need to resize and position them manually. It is enabled by default. Snap Assist is controlled by going into the Start menu, Settings, search for Multitasking and make sure Snap Windows is turned on. Also check the additional settings of the Snap Windows. Now if you hold the header of the window and drag it to the top, it snaps into the full screen. If you drag it to the corner, it will set into the corner section of the screen. If you can do it either side or top or bottom. If you drag it to the right, it will give you an option to select the second window to put it on the left of the screen. Number 3. Windows 10 Clipboard. On Windows 10, you have been able to copy and paste text and images for a long time. But it's been an experience somewhat limited that only supported copying one piece of content at a time and no interface to view things you copied. To overcome these limitations, Windows 10 introduces a new clipboard that tracks the text and images up to 4 MB that you copy. Also, you can view and paste content from the clipboard history and even pin items that you copy and paste more frequently. To enable clipboard in the settings, open Settings, click on System, click on Clipboard, turn on Clipboard History toggle switch. You can also enable clipboard using the Windows key plus V keyboard shortcut. Click on Turn On button. You can check and see Windows Clipboard is enabled in Settings. Let's demonstrate this by copying and pasting using the Windows Clipboard. Here is the pin option available. Number 4. Lock screen. Normally we lock the Windows screen using Windows logo key plus L. However, you can create a shortcut on your desktop to lock the screen. Simply right-click on your desktop, click on New, Shortcut, paste the following command in the shortcut location, click on Next, type the name for this as lock screen, click on Finish. Now, whenever you will double-click on it, your PC will get locked instantly. Number 5. Force kill. You can kill any program instantly which are freezing frequently. For example, to kill Firefox, we go to Task Manager, select Firefox, and then click on End Task to kill Firefox. This can be accomplished using the force kill. We can simply create a shortcut and instantly kill it by pasting the command in the shortcut location. Similarly, to kill Microsoft Word, paste this command in the shortcut location and run it. Your task will be killed instantly. Number 6. Apps shortcut key. You can create keyboard shortcut key to open any application installed in Windows 10. For example, if you want to open TeamViewer by Ctrl Alt and T, you can do it by simply right-click on the application shortcut, go to Properties, click on Shortcut, and press Ctrl Alt T. You will see shortcut defined on TeamViewer. Now, on your desktop, simply press Ctrl Alt T and there it is. TeamViewer launched. Number 7. Notepad as a diary. In Windows 10, you can use your notepad as a diary with automatic timestamps. Just write .log at the top of your notepad file in capital letters. As soon as you will open it and write your entries, time and date will be automatically get printed along with it. Let's check how it works. So right click on your desktop, select new text document, name it My Diary for example, open it. At the start of the notepad, write .log in capital letters. Now type any text below it. Save the file and close it. Now when we open the file, time and date is automatically get printed below our text. Let's add some more text and save and close the file. Now open the file again. There is a new time and date entered in the file. Number 8. Hide search box. Space covered by search box in the taskbar sometimes bothered you. So you can solve this issue by showing only search icon instead of box, or even you can hide it. Let's check how to do it. So just right click on an empty part of the taskbar, click on search, select show search icon, and then search box is replaced with search icon. You can select the hidden to hide the search box option in the taskbar. Number 9. Offline maps. Many times offline version of maps will help you to save time whenever you are in search for places or directions you are not connected to the internet. In that case, Maps app will use offline maps. Let's check how to download offline maps. To download offline maps, click on Start menu, click on Settings, select Apps, click on Offline Maps, click on plus symbol to download maps, select the geographic region you are interested in to download the map, and the offline map will start downloading. Number 10. Virtual desktops. Windows 10 has made it extremely easy to set up and use multiple virtual desktops. Virtual desktops are great for keeping unrelated ongoing projects organized in different virtual desktops. Creating a new virtual desktop can be done with a couple of clicks or with a keyboard shortcut. So, all you need to do is to click on Task View, click on New Desktop on top corner of your screen. Also, you can switch between virtual desktops from the keyboard using the Windows key plus Tab button on your keyboard. Number 11. GodMode. Do you want to have access of administrative tools, backup and restore options, and other important management settings from a single window? If yes, then GodMode is the best option for you. The GodMode folder offers an easy way to browse through 206 of these tools and get to know them. To access it, all you need to do is to create a new folder on your desktop. Rename the folder to the following command, and you can open it and tweak additional settings to your heart's content. Number 12. WDAG. We browse parts of the web we know could be dangerous, where malicious pop-ups, ransomware, or other malware could infect our PCs. Microsoft has now a free, specialized version of its Edge browser specifically designed to protect you online, which is called Windows Defender Application Guard, or WDAG. You can enable it using Program and Features. To browse the web with Edge and WDAG, open your Edge browser. From the ellipsis 3 dots menu in the upper right corner, select New Application Guard window. Windows Defender Application Guard will be starting. Once the WDAG window is opened, the black application guard labeled in the upper left corner distinguishes it from the Edge windows. On the taskbar, a small shield icon overlays the task icon, indicating that WDAG window is in use. Number 13. Windows Sandbox. Windows Sandbox is a lightweight virtual machine, a tool often used by developers and researchers to test new software within a controlled environment. You can open a browser and search securely, download apps, and even visit websites you probably shouldn't. At any time, you can close Windows Sandbox next time you launch a new version of Sandbox. It will launch a pristine version of Windows 10 to start anew. You can enable Windows Sandbox using Programs and Features. Windows will install the necessary files and may need to reboot your PC. Number 14. Storage Sense. Storage Sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like recycle bin contents, temporary internet files, and app temporary files. This also includes the downloads folder, but you can change that if you don't want Storage Sense emptying it. To configure Storage Sense or run it now, go to Settings, click on System, and then Storage. This is how your storage is used and how you can free up space. Click on the Configure Storage Sense or run it now. Check the temp files and check the downloads folder option available. You can click on the free up space now if you are low on space We can try to clean up files now using the settings on this page. Number 15. Night light. Computer screens emit blue light, which at night can cause mess with your internal body clock, causing discomforts in your sleep and eyes. Night light is a feature that reduces the amount of blue light at night time, and it displays warmer colors that can help to reduce eye strain. You can use these steps to enable night light on your Windows 10. Open Settings. Click on System and then click on Display. Under Brightness and Color, turn on Night Light Toggle switch. Click on the Night Light settings. Check the different options in the Night Light settings. Number 16. Quick Access View. When you open File Explorer in Windows 10, it defaults to a new Quick Access View that shows your most frequent accessed folders and recently viewed files. You can change this to this PC view. To change Quick Access View to this PC view, open File Explorer. You can see that currently it is set up with Quick Access View. Click on View, Options, change folder and search options. Select this PC in Open File Explorer 2. Click on Apply and OK. And now open File Explorer again. This will change to this PC view. Number 17. Windows Timeline. Windows Timeline helps you pick up where you left off. Microsoft lets you group related apps together into activities in Timeline. Clicking on the Task View button or Windows key plus tab summons the feature. You can deactivate Timeline in Settings, Privacy, Activity History, and you can uncheck this Store My Activity History on this device. You can also clear your activity history by clicking on the Clear button. Number 18. Snip and Sketch. Capture, markup, and share images. Along with Snipping tool, Snip and Sketch is a new tool that lets you select a portion of the screen to copy. You have an option of Snip now, or you can schedule in 3 seconds or in 10 seconds. Number 19. Ransomware protection. The best defense against ransomware is frequent backups and strong security software. However, Windows 10 includes basic protection right in your operating system. Control folder access protects your files and folders from unauthorized changes by unfriendly applications. You can tweak control folder access by clicking on Settings, Update and Security, Windows Security, Virus and Protection, Ransomware Protection. Click on Manage Ransomware Protection, and you can turn on Control Folder Access. You can check the protected folders in ransomware protected folders. Number 20. Dark theme. Light themes sear your eyeballs. Windows 10 now support a dark theme. To set dark theme in Windows 10, click on Start menu, click on Settings, Personalization, click on Colors, select Dark option and choose your color, and your Windows 10 theme will set as a dark theme. Number 21. Troubleshooter. Let Microsoft keep your PC healthy with recommended troubleshooting suggestions that find and fix issues on your device. To view recommended troubleshooters, click on Start menu, click on Settings, Update and Security, click on Troubleshoot. Currently, there is no recommended troubleshooting suggestion. You can find and fix problems by running troubleshooter on list of programs. Number 22. Pause updates. You can pause updates in Windows 10 until a convenient time for you to resume. Once you reach the pause limit, you will need to get the latest updates before you can pause again. To temporarily delay updates for your system, click on Start menu, click on Settings, Updates and Security, here you can see that currently updates are paused until 26 June 2020. We can resume that updates at any time by clicking on Resume Updates. We can change the pause period by clicking on the Advanced option. Check the Different Updates option in the Advanced option. Number 23. Add emoji. You can express yourself whenever you want by adding emoji in your documentation. Press the Windows logo key plus a period to open an emoji panel. Number 24. Items on taskbar. You can open items on your taskbar with the keyboard shortcuts instead of clicking. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus number key corresponding to the position of the program on your taskbar to open. For example, pressing Windows key +6 will open Chromium on my taskbar. Number 25. Arrow shake. Your screen can get cluttered if you have a lot of opened app windows. Arrow shake lets you quickly minimize all open windows except the current active window by shaking its title bar. Shaking the title bar again will restore all the minimized windows. Number 26. Ear trumpet. Ear trumpet gives you an instant taskbar icon with additional audio controls for each application. It's a super simple app you can download for free from Windows 10 store. Number 27. Steps Recorder. Steps Recorder helps you troubleshoot a problem on your device by recording the exact steps you took when the problem occurred. You can then post or send this record to a support professional to help them diagnose the problem. To record steps, click on Start menu, search Steps Recorder, click on it. When ready to record, click to Start Record. Now, screen recorder will start recording on each click. You can stop recording by clicking on Stop Record. You can click on Save button when ready. Number 28. Startup programs. The more software you install on your computer, the longer it may seem to take to start up Windows. You can change which apps run automatically at startup in Windows 10. To enable or disable apps at startup, go to Task Manager, click Startup, select your desired app and click on Disable. You can enable it at any time. Number 29. Jump lists. When you pin programs on taskbar, right-clicking on those icons will bring up the pop-up list of common shortcuts and your most recent closed tabs, tasks, and most visited sites. Clicking on Jump List will let you get back to your previous location quicker. To show jump lists on Start and Taskbar in Windows 10, we can make sure that it is toggled on in Settings. So click on Start menu, go to Settings, Personalization, Start, and here it is turned on. Now right click on, let's say, Google Chrome, and you will see a list of recently closed tabs, tasks, and most visited sites. And in the same way, on Start menu, right click and you will see the recently closed tabs, most visited sites, and tasks. Number 30. Background scroll. Background scroll is a useful tool when you have a lot of windows opened that you want to look through at the same time. You can scroll up and down on any window, even if it's not the one you are directly working in it. This feature should be on by default, but if it isn't, go to Settings by clicking on Start menu, Settings, Devices, click on Mouse, and here make sure that Scroll Inactive window I hover over to them is turned on. Now to check if background scroll is working, let's open Microsoft Edge and Chrome. We can scroll up and down on any windows without making it active. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe.